I'm from Refugee in 2015. We're doing a fundraising event today to help refugees in Turkey, Syria and Greece. We're raising the funds to get a container to Greece, a 40-foot container with aid. I should be going out hopefully within the next couple of weeks to help the refugee children and the refugees in Greece. So that's about it.
Can you tell us a little bit about Calais?
Yeah, I did go to Calais. The situation's getting better in Calais, but realistically the situation's getting worse in Greece. That's where the aid is actually needed right now, is in Greece. That's where it's most needed right now.
So what kind of help will you be taking over to Greece?
We've got some volunteers, we've got some NGOs, United Nations, and we've got contacts with people over there. So when we get to the ground over there, we distribute food and help build camps and for children. And another project we're working on is getting boats to rescue people for rescue missions in the waters as well. We're working closely with a team called One Nation and other groups. So we get a lot of liaising back to us that what's needed over there. So that's what we're doing.
Thank you very much, Zach. Let you get back to your very, very busy job that you're doing today.
Cheers,
and well done, that's brilliant on behalf of all of us.
Cheers,
thank you.